Regeneration, one of the most iconic and fascinating abilities in all of science fiction. In Doctor Who, Time Lords can heal from mortal injuries by completely transforming their bodies, minds, and even their personalities. But how does this process work, and could it ever happen in real life? Today we're breaking down the science behind regeneration in 5 parts. On Earth, we see examples of regeneration in nature. Lizards regrow their tails. Planarian worms can rebuild their body from a single cell, and a starfish can regenerate their limbs. Imagine if a human being could harness this ability. Time Lords take this concept to the next level, repairing not just their limbs, but their entire biological system. Regeneration in Time Lords is the ultimate survival mechanism, allowing them to avoid death completely through a process that blends science and fiction together. But what triggers it, and how could it theoretically work? Regeneration begins when a Time Lord sustains an injury or damage so severe that the body cannot repair itself through using conventional means. It's their biological last resort in scientific terms. This could be akin to activating a supercharged version of cellular repair and renewal. On Earth, our bodies are already equipped with the tools for healing. Cells regenerate to repair wounds, and damaged DNA can sometimes be repaired by proteins. But there's a limit to how much the human body can heal itself. Time Lords, however, seem to have no such, genetic limit to our knowledge. But imagine if a Time Lord's DNA had an emergency mechanism, a regeneration enzyme that triggers rapid cellular turnover. This enzyme would signal every cell in the body to replace itself, effectively creating a whole new body in minutes. Once the regeneration process begins, the entire body enters overdrive. Every cell in the Time Lord's body begins to replace itself. In scientific terms, this could be explained by a combination of stem cell-like behavior and rapid mitosis. Stem cells are unique in that they can turn into any type of cell in the body. Time Lords might have an advanced form of universal stem cells, capable of replicating not just skin or organ cells, but even neurons in the brain. This could allow them to repair their nervous system and create complex structures just like the heart or lungs. But there's more. During regeneration, Time Lords release immense energy. This can be explained by the byproduct of rapid cellular turnover, which, with each new cell releasing energy as it stabilizes. This energy could also serve to disintegrate damaged tissue, making way for the new cells. One of the most fascinating parts of regeneration is how it changes not just the body but also the mind. How could this work scientifically? Regeneration most likely involves the brain rewiring itself. Neural pathways could be altered as new neurons replace old ones, leading to changes in memory, behavior, and personality even. The Doctor's memories, for example, are preserved because they are encoded in the Time Lord's unique biological system, like data being transferred during a software update. Appearance changes could be the result of a genetic reshuffle. If Time Lords have control over their DNA, regeneration could act like a randomizer, selecting different traits to construct a new physical form. Regeneration itself isn't limitless, even for Time Lords. The series originally established a cap of 12 regenerations. But why? From a scientific standpoint, this could be due to the cellular degradation over time, just like human cells lose their ability to divide as we age. Time Lords Time Lord cells, I should say, might have a limited number of times they can regenerate before becoming unstable. But we've seen the Doctor surpass these limits, thanks to external interventions like the Time Lords granting the Doctor a new regeneration cycle. This suggests that regeneration is a biological process that can be manipulated or extended with the right knowledge. Regeneration remains one of the most mysterious and awe-inspiring abilities in all of science fiction. Whilst firmly rooted in fantasy, the scientific principles behind its cellular repair, stem cells, and energy release give us a glimpse of what might one day happen in the real world. Thanks for joining me in this journey into science of the Time Lord regeneration sequence. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your theories about regeneration in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of science and fiction, because in the Doctor Who universe, literally anything is possible. Have a good day, peace out, and bye-bye.